Welcome to Tool Mentorship, the channel dedicated to helping you find the perfect tools to take your woodworking skills to the next level. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of biscuit joiners, a must-have tool for creating strong, seamless joints in your woodworking projects. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, having a reliable biscuit joiner can elevate the quality and durability of your work. Today, we'll review the top 5 biscuit joiners available on Amazon. From the highly rated DeWalt DW682K biscuit joiner to the budget-friendly yet powerful Rexti wood biscuit plate joiner kit, we'll cover everything you need to know. These tools have been chosen for their precision, versatility, and durability, ensuring you get the best results, no matter the project. Make sure to stick around because we'll be sharing direct links to these products in the description box and pinned comment, so you can grab the one that fits your needs without wasting time searching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our expert tool reviews. Let's jump into it. DeWalt DW682K biscuit joiner. The DeWalt DW682K biscuit joiner is the gold standard for professional woodworkers. Featuring a powerful 6.5-amp motor, this tool cuts through hardwoods and softwoods effortlessly. The standout feature of this joiner is its dual rack and pinion fence system, which keeps the blade and fence perfectly parallel for accurate joints every time. It supports all standard biscuit sizes, and the adjustable fence tilts from 0 deg to 90 deg, making it ideal for edge-to-edge, corner or miter joints. The ergonomic handle ensures comfortable handling during prolonged use, while the dust collection port keeps your workspace clean. Its compact and sturdy design ensures longevity, making it a worthwhile investment for any woodworking enthusiast. For more details or to purchase, check the description box for the link. WORX JN8504 plate and biscuit joiner. If you're looking for a reliable biscuit joiner on a budget, the WORX JN8504 is a fantastic option. This joiner is equipped with an 8.5-amp motor, delivering ample power to cut cleanly through a variety of wood types. Its adjustable fence can handle angles up to 135 deg, making it versatile for various joinery tasks. One of its standout features is the onboard dust collection system, which ensures that your workspace remains clean and free from debris. Lightweight and easy to handle, the WORX JN8504 is perfect for both beginners and experienced woodworkers looking for an affordable, efficient solution. Grab yours today by following the link in the description box. Makita PJ7000 plate joiner. The Makita PJ7000 plate joiner is a top-tier choice for woodworkers who demand accuracy. With a powerful 5.6-amp motor, it offers a no-load speed of 11,000 RPM, ensuring precise cuts every time. The adjustable aluminum pivot fence has positive stops at 0 deg, 45 deg, and 90 deg, enabling repeatable accuracy for all your projects. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the Makita PJ7000 Zig reduces hand fatigue even during extended use. It supports all standard biscuit sizes, making it a versatile tool for various applications. Known for its smooth operation and durability, this joiner is a worthy addition to any workshop. Click the link in the description box to check it out now. Rexti Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner Kit. The Rexti Wood Biscuit Plate Joiner Kit is the ultimate combination of performance and value. This joiner boasts a 10,000 RPM motor, powerful enough to cut through even the toughest woods. It includes 100 free biscuits, so you can start your projects immediately. The adjustable fence and compact design make it ideal for both small and large-scale joinery tasks. This kit is perfect for DIY enthusiasts who want professional-grade results without breaking the bank. Check the description box for a direct link to this affordable and reliable joiner. Ryobi JM83K 6-amp biscuit joiner. The Ryobi JM83K delivers an impressive combination of power and portability. Its 6-amp motor provides consistent performance, and the preset depth stops for standard biscuit sizes make it user-friendly. The oversized grip enhances control, allowing for precise cuts even in intricate joinery tasks. Perfect for furniture making and crafts, the Ryobi JM83K is a versatile tool for woodworkers of all skill levels. Its durable build and affordable price make it a smart investment. Be sure to click the link in the description box to check out this top-rated joiner on Amazon. That concludes our review of the best biscuit joiners available on Amazon. Whether you're leaning toward the professional-grade DeWalt DW682K or the budget-friendly Rexti joiner kit, there's something here for every woodworker. Each of these tools combines precision, durability, and ease of use to help you create stunning, seamless joints in your woodworking projects. Remember, the links to all the products we've reviewed are available in the description box and pinned comment, so make sure to check them out. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to Tool Mentorship, and tap the notification bell to stay updated on our latest reviews. Which biscuit joiner are you planning to add to your workshop? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.